This is Tuesday, August the 13th. Shop talk with Buck. Well, yesterday had a pretty good day. If you see my dovetails, yeah, we got that going on. It turned out really nice. Just as I'd hoped, if you know what I mean. But today, I'm gonna get 4 runners and put under this thing and get me a bottom to this tray. So that'd be today. Once I get that done, I'll have this set. I'll have the tool tray, and then when I'll be able to use it. I'm thinking about going around and rounding the corners off where they're not so sharp, something like that. But for the most part, and it won't take me long, I'll mill me up 4 runners and get me a piece of, right now, only thing I got big enough is a 1/2 inch plywood, but I'll set it just to fit in it, or as close as I can get. That way, if I needed to, I could pop it out and dump it, if you know what I mean. Because you know stuff's going to get in it and whatnot. But that's just something to deal with, because it's having a tray there. Well, look at all the tools on it. I could lay it in here, and I laid a piece across. This supports it. Just everything's going according to plan. However, this is shop talk. I had a visitor yesterday. I'll show the video to you just here in a second. But we did have a visitor come down, and she's getting back to normal. My wife come see me yesterday. It's been 3 and something months, 3+ months since she has been down here. She just lit up, if you know what I mean. But anyway, I will show that to you. Hopefully today I can finish up my tool well. And then after that, I'll have the vise, the dog hose, and the sharpening station. Then I will call this one complete, because I don't know. When I sat down here driving this off, I got a stool here, and this thing it's just perfect. I was shooting for it, but yeah, it hit just so I can sit here and go to work. It's working great. My brother-in-law got me a stool. So that dude's gonna come into play right there. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna get you and we'll take a close-up of them dovetails. It turned out pretty good considering how I had to do it. But I'm tickled with it. The bench is coming together. Shop talk. Guys, and gals, I'm telling you, the comments and everything I get, I just love it. I just love it. I'm enjoying it, and it just makes my day. So, if y'all see something you want me to expound on, go in more detail, or if you see something that I skimmed over, want to go back and focus on, just leave me a comment. I'll be happy to do that. I sure, because I'm filming this thing for y'all, and I'm hoping you're getting something out of it. Now I'm just tickled that I'm getting the response that I am getting. Some videos do good, some don't. So, but I won't know till I throw them out there, or y'all tell me. Either way, what I've gotten so far has been real good. But you know the story, I don't know if y'all have watched NASCAR or not, which I don't anymore. They got too woke for me. And back in the day, in Earnhardt, everybody knows Dale Earnhardt. If they know anything about racing at all. And actually, some of the ones that don't know about racing might have heard of him. Because he really helped the sport out, because he came, Well, anyway, my point is, when Jeff Gordon went to it was the Winston Cup then, went up to the, he just dominated the Busch Series it was then. So his first year on the Cup, you know how they get in the back of the pickup. In other words, you're on the fourth row, those two inside and out, those two will be in the pickup going around as the lineups. Well, it just so happened this day that Jeff Gordon and Dale Earnhardt were on the same row. So they were running around through there. And you know, if you've ever been to a NASCAR race, especially with Dale, they're either cheering or they're booing, one or the other. And of course, when they got around through there, he said, Jeff Gordon asked, how could you stand that? I mean, all that booing and stuff. He said, now listen, boy. He said, if when you don't hear anything, that's when you need to worry about it. As long as they're making racket. But what I've seen in YouTube, on some of these bigger channels and whatnot, once they start getting negative comments, so like it seemed like they've made it, they're there. They've made it. So, you know, I know I got some coming. I guess time will tell, but what I'm getting so far has been good, really good. Good, and I'm tickled to death with it. I appreciate each and every one of you. I've got about 111 subscribers on this channel here. And I'm talking about I ain't been doing this about a month. So that's not bad. You say 111 a month, by the time a year comes around, if it maintains it, you know, I'll have some subscribers. So I hope I'm getting better at it. I feel like I am. I went back and watched one of my old videos I did, you know, about 8 or 9 months ago. And I think I am a little bit. But I still got a ways to go, and I hope y'all hang in there with me. And well, I'll see y'all tomorrow. But I'm fixing to roll the video of my my visitors. Y'all hang in there for that. But after that, I will see you guys tomorrow or on the next one. I plan on being here tomorrow, but sometimes your plans change, not from your doing, but I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good day. See you tomorrow. Well, guess who come to see me? Hey, Nana.
Hey.
Got your walker? You're ready now.
Driving too.
Oh, boy.
Good breakfast.
Yeah.
Good lunch.
What do you think about the hand tool woodworking bench?
Very nice. Very nice.
I'm proud you got to come see me.
Now I walked in, I could smell the good smell of a project. It's like going in Home Depot. You just get, ooh, all excited. What we're going to build today. Well, what you going to build today.